I have a couple salmon steak, and I'm going to brine these babies. And this is what I'm going to do. 1/4 cup of salt, 1/4 cup of water. Going to mix it up. I have about a tablespoon of lemon. You can use lime too. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Going to put both babies for now in a Ziploc bag. You can put it anywhere, container. And what you're going to do, you're going to add the brine, okay? You're going to brine. You're going to add the mix. And then what you're going to do, you're going to mix it up. And let it be for about 20 minutes, okay? At least. About half an hour. Room temperature. It's about a tablespoon of neutral oil. Let it heat up for about a minute. But before you start cooking them, you want to pat them, okay? You want them dry. They're room temperature, once again, make sure. Both sides. Pat them dry, okay? You're going to put now some coarse black pepper, okay? You're going to do the same both sides, okay? Let's start. And I'm going to cook that side for about maybe 4 minutes. Carefully. Flip it. Flip it. And now you're going to add some butter, about a tablespoon, some thyme, to give it the aromatics, okay? I like the aromatics. And I smash a couple garlics, and I'm going to put them there too. And I'm going to cook that side for about 5 minutes. But I want to get some of the juices flowing, okay? Okay. So the garlic juices, thyme juices flowing. Here we have them. They're done. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.